Hello, I'm Robert from eMarketeer, and in this video I'll tell you everything about using tags in eMarketeer, because tags is a small feature with a huge impact. Now, tags are just as they sound. In order to organize and make sense of your assets, you put tags on them that describe or categorize them. And this opens up a lot of new possibilities with eMarketeer that I will show you. But first, let's dive into tags. The assets that you can set tags on eMarketeer are campaigns and contacts. This means that campaigns are not only campaigns anymore, but using tags you can define them as newsletters in Sweden or promotions for a specific product. And contacts can now be tagged by interest, awareness, or whatever makes sense for your business. So here's a campaign that we use on our website to capture leads and nurture them. So let's tag this, and we do that up to the right where you find the tag feature, and there's no tag set, so we click the plus sign to open the tag widget. And we prepared a few tags for you already that you of course can edit, add tags, remove and rename and everything like that. And we grouped them into tag categories just to organize your tags if you have a lot of different types of tags. So this campaign I'd like to tag as a website campaign, and why not Sweden? And as an example, let's also tag it with a product tag. So let's create a new tag, create, and give it a name. Let's call this product B. And I also need to choose which category to place it under, campaign tags, contact tags, but I can also create a new category if I want, like product lines. And I choose that. And I pick a color, so this will be a dark green one. And I create the tag, like so. And just clicking outside the box here closes it, and we can see now that we have tagged this campaign with website, Sweden, about product B. Let's tag something else also. We have another lead campaign here, request an ebook form. So let's tag that. This is also for the website. And it's also for product B, but let's add a new Norway tag here. And let's put that under the contact tags because that's where Sweden was. And let's have it purple. Create a tag and so on. So this is also website product B, but for Norway. Let's tag the final one, which is a bit different. And this is an event with the invitation, registration, and so on. We tag this by setting it as an event. And let's say it's for Sweden. And we can see we have the product lines and so on here. Let's say this event is for product B also. So it's an event in Sweden, product B. So now we tagged a few campaigns, and let's head over to contacts and tag a few contacts before I show you the magic of what tags then can do. So here's a few contacts, and I just click one. And as you can see, you have the tags up to the right also on the contact card. And we can tag this contact as a VIP customer, for instance. And why not also tag it as an event participant? And this is a contact and some purple create tag. So now this contact is tagged as a VIP customer and event participant, which means that I now can bring up all the contacts who are tagged in different ways. So this tagging of the contact I did manually, but there are other ways to tag the contacts also, using bulk actions or having journeys tag contacts depending on what they do. So now that we have tagged campaigns and contacts, the real magic happens. The first thing that you can do is to use the filter. And now you have under the engagement filter also engagement by tags. So if you want to bring up all the contacts who were active in, for instance, a website in regarding product B, you can bring up all those contacts. And it doesn't matter which campaign as long as it's tagged with product B and website. These guys did any engagement in that campaign. Or I can fine-tune it a little bit and actually say that it needs to be the Swedish. So now we have a little smaller group. And I can expand on this and say I only want to look at any form that were submitted in the product B Sweden website campaigns. Filter is the core of many other features in eMarketeer, so this is just the tip of the iceberg. So here you can see the different impacts of tags. We have the engagement of the contacts, which are not just generic engagement like link clicks and form signups, but tagging the campaigns also means that we tag the engagement. We can differentiate event form submits from newsletter signups. And with that in mind, the lead score can also be set differently depending on what types of campaigns they are interacting with. A white paper download call to action form may be more valuable than a newsletter sign up. And for the contact, at a glance, you can see what tags they have that describe them. But that's even more efficient when you use it for segmenting. As I showed you, you may want to see who answered this form that are a VIP customer or that have some other different tags. So it goes the other way around also. Journeys are also based on filters. So as a starting point for the filter, you can set that this should happen every time a Swedish ebook download campaign or form is submitted. So you can really narrow it down, and journeys can also set tags on contacts. So when a contact reaches a certain stage in the journey, you can set a tag on that contact. And for lead streams, you can use the tags to be more precise when qualifying your marketing qualified leads to deliver to sales. So tags already has a big impact on the eMarketeer with the segmenting and journeys and leads and scoring and everything. But it's just the first iteration of this feature, and we will have a lot more features using tags in the future. So happy tagging, and don't forget to reach out to our support team if you have any questions about this. So thanks for watching. Until next time. See ya.